Hello, I'm Ngang Lee and I'm the developer of the Crafter 721. Today I'm gonna explain about the Crafter 721 and also I will show you how to create and manage NFTs using the Crafter 721. The Crafter 721 is an NFT ecosystem that builds and deploys NFT smart contract with no code and provides all the functions to mint and manage NFT afterward. Now we support Ethereum and the KLAYTN and Polygon and Binance Smart Chain also. The most important thing, the Crafter 721 is completely free to use. Okay, let's start to use it. First of all, you need to prepare your images and the JSON files for your NFTs. Well, someone has just one image and someone has 10,000. You can generate your JSON files, contain the metadata. You can generate your JSON files via the Hashlips project. And then come to our website, crafter721.com, and click this button to download it. Once you download it, click the file and install. After installation, you can see this login page. There is a select box to choose each blockchain, Ethereum and KLAYTN and Polygon and BSC. You need to make an account for each chain. So if you want to make NFTs on 4 chain, you should make 4 accounts. Well, this time I will choose the Polygon chain and you can make the account here. One thing you should know, you never lose your password. We don't have any account database, so we don't have any password restoring service, so just never lose it. And here has some text area for infra key. The infra provides API key for connecting web to blockchain, and some blockchain doesn't offer public RPC nodes, so you need some custom RPC nodes here. Go to the infra.io and sign up and sign in and click create new key, and you can see your infra key here. Alright, now we have an account for the Polygon chain. After signing in, you see this wallet page. On the left side, you can choose your mainnet or testnet, and on the right side, you see your wallet address. This address is just made for you, but you also can use your own wallet address. Just copy your private key from the MetaMask or some wallet and paste here. And you can get the test coin with this button. You need to sign up here and paste your address and click this. Then you will get 1 test MATIC. Alright, now we are ready to deploy smart contract on the testnet Mumbai. Let's go to make contract section. On this page, you need to put some information for your smart contract. The collection name and symbol. Well, I will put EKs, test, NFT, and ETN. For the max supply, I will make 10,000 first. And base URL. The base URL is the part of the URL that all NFTs will use in common among the URLs of the web storage where your image and metadata are stored. I will go to my AWS S3 bucket and my test bucket here, and you need to make JSON folder and image folder and get my JSON files URL and paste here and delete the 0.json. Done. And next, the purchase limit. If you set this purchase limit, the one wallet just can buy 5 NFTs. Okay, now click this deploy button. You're gonna see this message and confirm, and boom, now you just deployed your own smart contract. Let's check the smart contract. Go to this manage contract section You can choose your collection here, and you see these informations about your smart contract. Okay, let's update some. Now somehow you want to make more NFTs, so I will put 10,000 here and click update. Alright, now the max supply is 10,000. And let's see our contract on the Polygon Scan website. See, there is same contract address and the transaction we just sent, right? Okay, next step. Upload file to AWS S3. Well, you really don't have to use this function. Well, you just upload your image and JSON files to AWS by yourself, or you can use like IPFS, but it's just for NFT newbies, so you can use this function. Now you need AWS API key and secret key. You can get it from the AWS IAM service. Well, you can Google how to get this API key and secret key. There are so many guides, so just Google it. Okay, now you can upload your images and JSON files. Click choose file and select my all files. And this function will get only the JSON files. Image files are same like this, and click upload and done. Alright, now we are all ready to mint our NFTs. Let's see our NFTs preview here. You can see your NFT before you mint. And let's go to the manage NFT section. You can choose your collection. And you see now you have 0 NFT yet, but you can mint your NFTs here. This mint function is for your team reserved amount. So if you don't have any plan to mint NFT for your team, don't mint here. Well, let's just mint 10 NFTs. Put 10 here and click mint. And now we have 10 NFTs in my wallet. And you also can see your NFTs on OpenSea. Let's go to the OpenSea testnet and sign in. Boom! Here are my NFTs. Alright, now it's time to airdrop your NFTs. On the right side here, you can see the transfer function. First, you set the range of the NFTs that you will transfer. I will set 2 to 7. It's total 6 NFTs. And choose the address list. I will choose this JSON file. Then the function detected 6 addresses. Let's check this address list. This file is JSON type, and here you should set the airdrop list. You should know the amount of NFTs and number of addresses has to be same. And click transfer, then it's gonna airdrop your NFTs to the addresses on the list. Alright, the last one, the snapshot section. In this section, you can inquire which holders have NFTs and which holders have how many NFTs. Let's see our contract. Copy your contract address and choose Polygon, testnet, and paste the address and click the get data. See, there are 10 NFTs and 6 NFTs are belongs to this address, just got airdrop, right? And 4 NFTs are mine. And also you click the download button here, you can get the CSV file. Alright, now you know how to use this Crafter 721 and you can make the NFTs as many as you want. If you have any questions, you can come to visit our Discord. Alright, thank you.